We always say that, you know, take something away that you don't necessarily need. Are we going to be saying that about David's dish?
You've got 60 seconds to get the last couple of leaves on.
I'm good. My best moments, I feel, have come recently. I feel like I'm on a high at the moment, and I just want that to continue. But we're cooking for 4 of the country's leading food critics. If I make a mistake, they'll spot it a mile off. It has to be perfect.
David, big day in the office?
This is the biggest day of my life. You know, cooking for the chance to get into the finals of MasterChef. It's a new home cook's dream.
What are you going to do to make sure you get that final place?
So I'm cooking today venison haunch steak with Jerusalem artichoke puree. I'm going to top that with some set powder. I'm doing some roasted Jerusalem artichokes, some Jerusalem artichoke crisps, a beetroot and blackberry gel, and nasturtium leaves.
There's more ingredients on this dish than you've ever put on one dish before.
I'm fighting for the final. When I first applied for MasterChef, this is the round that I wanted to get to. You get one shot at it, and I'm going to take it.
Well done, mate. Oh, David's dish reads like a who's who of wonderful ingredients. But has David got the time to do all of those things? He's really pushing himself.
My biggest concern is a piece of haunch steak. Haunch and venison is a muscle that does lots and lots of work. If he doesn't cook that properly, because it's got no fat in it at all, it could be quite tough.
I will be looking for somebody who's learned along the way and they're kind of reaching a big crescendo. But ultimately, what you're looking for is something that just tastes really good.
I want to see people really turn up with their A game. I quite like, you know, the occasional disaster, because where'd be the fun if it was all brilliant?
People think that it takes a huge amount to impress critics, and actually, while we're fussy, difficult, annoying people, we really just want to be fed. We want to be made happy.
I think opening that door and seeing us all sitting in a row is a terrifying thing. But if they're here to win, this is when it has to be perfect.
There we go. Cheers. It's all about that. Yeah. Cheers.
David really thrown a lot at this plate.
Nice looking venison.
I absolutely love Jerusalem artichokes, but I'm not sure whether we need them pureed and then made into crisps.
Looking good.
Thank you.
You want more puree?
We always say that, you know, take something away that you don't necessarily need. Are we going to be saying that about David's dish?
You've got 60 seconds to get the last couple of leaves on.
I'm good.
Good, are you happy with that?
Very happy, yes. Let's go.
Well done, look at that.
Very good, David.
Beautiful. Like a piece of modern art, David.
That's what I'm going for.
Thank you.
I've cooked for you venison haunch steak with roasted Jerusalem artichokes, Jerusalem artichoke puree topped with set powder, Jerusalem artichoke crisps, a beetroot and blackberry gel, a juniper and red wine sauce, and nasturtium leaves.
Amazing.
Amazing.
Thank you.
Thank you
Enjoy.
very much.
Thanks. When I walked in there, it was just complete, like, starshot, really, seeing them all. And, you know, for them to be now eating my food is, oh, it's amazing. It's just amazing.
David has done some nice things on this plate. These are some of the best artichoke crisps I've ever had.
The venison's been cooked well, and I think there's a bit of depth of flavour there and quite well seasoned.
There are real moments of joy on this plate. I think that beetroot and blackberry gel is delicious.
The venison haunch is cooked nicely. The sauce is sweet and rich, but it could do with a little bit more reduction.
I love the nutty Jerusalem artichoke. And I think that beetroot gel with the blackberry is absolutely inspired. It's the little bit of sweetness that dish needs.